4 tips to help you make more sales using your WhatsApp. Hi guys, I'm your girl Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us all 4 important skills to consider when trying to make sales using WhatsApp. Without wasting much of our time, let's go there. Now number 1 is traffic. If you're not making sales, or you're probably making sales and you need more people to buy from you, which means you need more eyes to see your product, you need more customers. So send traffic to your WhatsApp. Bring them down to your WhatsApp. Those people that need what you're selling. It is called quality lead, not just anyhow people. Run a paid ad. Bring them to your WhatsApp. And one important thing you must do, ensure they save your contact while you save theirs. Because when they don't save your contact, it is of no use, seriously. So it is very, very important that they give them strict instruction to save your contact while you save them. And secondly is quick reply. Reply to your customer. You want them to take you serious. Don't be that kind of person that replies after 2 to 3 hours. No, people won't take you serious. People need people they can trust. People that people that will respond to them quickly. Okay, you want them to take you serious, so reply to their messages, replies to their questions as quick as possible. It gives more credibility. All right, now number 3, use your WhatsApp status. Use your WhatsApp status to showcase your product. Now bear one thing in mind: don't sell all the time. Don't be that person that will say come and buy this, come and buy that all the time, come and buy. No, make your WhatsApp status very, very interesting. The more interesting your WhatsApp status become, the more views you get, and the more views you get, the more sales you will make. So how do you make it interesting? Mix your content, mix it with comedy, inspirational videos, inspirational quotes, funny photos. Mix them. Let it not just be your product alone all the time. No, mix it. Make your WhatsApp status more interesting. Put in some funny things, some inspiration. The inspiration video, what they call it, just mix it like that. All right. And the last one is show love to your customer. They are your people. They are the lifeblood of your system. So show love, especially when a customer buys from you. Let them